Hello guys, today we discuss Google Search Console. We can explore this tool, why Google Search Console is used, what is the concept of Search Console. In this class, we go with the brief. First of all, what is a Search Console? Why it is very important in SEO? Generally, see aware the Google Search Console in the technical terms. Take it as a normal terms. Suppose anyone user, any customer, just now searching on the was a topic called beaches in California or restaurants in Hyderabad. Loading. Internet issue something. No, no. We can see the results here. We can see the results. All these are the organic results. I told you earlier in SEO in Google search engine, we can see the 17 total results. 10 are the organic, 7 are the ads. Left that organic, left that paid ads. Just go with the organic results. These are all organic results. Website owners or digital marketers write the blogs to the on page, to the off page, come to the technical SEO. They can do the complete SEO for all these kind of blogs and posters. These are the results like Zomato, Swiggy, restaurants, everything. These are all organic results. Generally, SEO is organic process and it's a more time taking process. SEO is not instant process. If you write blog today, it cannot be ranked on the next day morning. There are generally four basic concepts, not basic, it's a brief concepts in how Google works. First, crawling. Google first collect our data. After indexing, it stores data. After calculating relevancy, there are different types of ranking parameters in Google point of view, like content, quality, based on our website. Many of the ranking factors. Finally, results. So Google works based on these four parameters: crawling, indexing, calculating relevancy, and retrieving results, showing the results. So here, first, this all bloggers or website owners or content writers and digital marketers write the blogs or from the on-page SEO. Generally, Google takes time to crawl these websites because Google has more in the worldwide. Many website owners there, many bloggers are there. There are not only 10 results in the Google. Okay, it's a number of results. In 10 page also you can see the results. When 2014 also. But there is no use coming all after first page. Users or customers come to only visit first page only. Even they don't go to at least second page also. So by default or normally, Google takes more time to crawl our website because we are not only one person for Google. Google has worldwide many of the people read the blogs. So Google takes more time to come to our website. Takes 1 month or 2 months or up to 6 months or even 1 year also. So Google don't have time to come our websites instantly. So that's why we use the Google Search Console tool. In this is the manual process. We have to tell to Google, first crawl my website, index my website, show my results. So this is the faster method, Google Search Console. In this process, we can request to Google, crawl first our website. So in this process, we have to connect our website to Google Search Console. Google Search Console is the Google tool to indexing manually. So first we have to open the Google Search Console in the Google. This is the way. Just click on the start now and make sure that log in with your Gmail. Once you have to, after clicking that, you can see this kind of dashboard. Welcome to the Google Search Console. We have to connect here property. In this Google Search Console, connect our website to Search Console. We have to two methods to connect our website to Google Search Console. First is the domain method. Second is the URL prefix method. Choose second option. Just enter your domain. Have subdomains. I'll show how to. This is my subdomain. Just travel dot. So just clicking the copying the URL. Go to Search Console. Click on enter. It gives a code. You can see this dashboard. When you have to insert your URL, it gives a particular code because after this, if you don't do this code, you have to paste this code on our website. Then only the Google trusts okay. This is guys the owner of this website. If no code, we can submit different types of URLs here like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Myntra. So we have to paste this code on our website. Then only Google trusts us, okay, this guy is the real owner of this site. There are different types of methods, HTML method, tag method, analytics method, tag manager, domain name provider. But this one is the simple. This method is a very simple method, tag managing. Just click on copy. After copying this, have to log into your website. It is the login credentials. I forget it. Okay. No, it's login. After login to dashboard, there are two methods to paste the code. First one is the theme file editor option. Second is the plugin section. After copying this code, come to the login to the website. Here you have to paste this code. First method is the without plugin. You can see the theme's appearance here. Comments below, plugins above, appearance. In appearance section, just drag come to the last theme file editor. Click on theme file editor. Here you can see the complete code of our website. Generally in WordPress, we don't do any coding, but in technical only you can paste some codes. So you have to see here, have to paste in head section only. See the complete here. You have to paste in the head section only before body section. So this is very important because you have to paste code based on these parameters only. If you paste except anywhere else in the head section, in body section, it completely becomes error. So always be careful and take time. Take time, complete slowly. So just copy in the head section. Copy the code again. You have to copy one time. It's okay. I'm copying multiple times. So you have to find there is head section. We have to see the head section here. Completely here, footer, header. Just click on header. In this header section also have to find the header where head starts. 15th and head starts. 23 ends. So you have to paste the code between 15 to 23rd line. So you guys see here meta name, Google site verification, content. FA88. I think I already pasted this code in the other section, I think other search console, but the process is same. So before headline. You can select, you can enter this code here, even after clicking the enter button here, or even here also. So don't copy the paste here just after clicking head. Just don't paste it code here. Paste a new line, okay? After clicking enter, just paste it. I am already pasted in this code in my other website, other search console. That's why you're showing 2 times. But it's okay. No worries. It's one of the practice domain only. No worries. This is the process. After just click on the, don't change any code here. Even if you change one line, it completely disturbed. So after just say, you have to save the code on update file. Just come to here. Just click on verify. I think maybe an error because I have pasted another website. No, nothing. So ownership verified. That's it. Go to property. Here you can see that this our website have added in the search console. And there is another method also. I can show another method also. Because this is very some hectic process. Because if we change any one line by forcing it, it becomes more headache. So that's why go with the plugins. In WordPress, I told you earlier, for any problem, we have only one solution. That is the plugins. We have to use plugins to solve our problems. The theme for it is very good method because we don't need to install again plugins because if we install more plugins, it affects loading problem for our website. So I don't prefer to every time go with the plugin because plugin cause loading problems. You have to just careful in submitting the code. Or else you don't have any problems why this unnecessary headache. I use just randomly plugins. The method for adding the code is the plugin method. So we can see the plugin section here. Just click on plugins. Just click on add plugin. Search the WP code. We can see the number of plugins here. WP code. There are code snippets, or you just search the code only even. You can see many plugins. Header and footer code, header footer code. There are a number of plugins. Try any plugin. This is a 3 million active users, so you can trust, not trust because it is more popular, there's more installations. You can try this plugins also, this also. There are a number of plugins. Just click on install. After activate, you can see this plugin is coming dashboard. This here you come, just click on the plugins. Here you can see the and not here. It is a section. Here you can see the header and footer. In code snippets, you can see header and footer here. Just click on header and footer. And here you have to paste the code. The code I pasted in the theme file editor. You have to paste this code here. Don't paste in 2 places. Always only one place. If you have any confusion in this code section, go for the plugins only. Don't paste code in the 2 places. This theme file editor. This is the pasted this code. You have to paste code either here or there only once. Just copy. Run footer. Just click on paste it and save it. I'm not saving because I'm removing. I'm paste already there. So that's it. After your search console is completely activated. Besides already our search console is verified your property for the travel domain. So after once verification, you can index every posters pages here in all SEO. Have to you can see the all settings are all known as settings. Your site maps. So the importance all the connected site maps. So search console. We added our property to our domain property to search console and we verified. Next process is the indexing process. All posters, blogs, any whatever pages in your website, everything have to paste this here. Here main aspects are pages and sitemaps. Sitemaps all submitted. I submitted previously this property too. So that's why sitemaps are there. I have to index the posters. Suppose my website have two posters. These are the two posters in my blog website. So you have to just just copy the URL, come to the search console, URL inspection, paste it, enter, then request indexing. Wait a second, it shows completed. This is the process. So whenever we do this process, then our results will be indexed more faster than compared to normal time, and results also expect faster in the search engines. So this is the usage of search console. We have to manually connect our website to search console. Then Google will crawl faster, index faster, and results also we can expect faster. So this is about search console, and this is the way how to submit our domain to search console. And that's it for today's class. From next class, we can go further topics. And please subscribe the channel for more updates, more digital marketing topics in upcoming days. Thank you.